Greetings to all who are gathered here, and greetings to the world who will be watching this video cast. Imagine across the world, people will be watching this service. And thank you to all of us, all of you, who have put this beautiful service together. Florence Nightingale. We all know her to be that beautiful lady with the lamp, who sacrificed a great deal to bring health care to the wounded of the Crimean War. We all know her as the person who started a remarkable nursing school, which was actually also a midwifery school. And that school and that curriculum rippled across the world, and she's remembered as the founder of modern nursing. She wrote a little book called Notes on Nursing that nurses still study as one of their most classic texts. She was the articulator and committed to primary health care, particularly for women, for children, and for babies. And she took that work, even in the 19th century, to a global scale. How did she do that? She was an advocate, an activist, a networker, and a consummate communicator. She collaborated with journalists. She was a citizen journalist herself. She was a best-selling author. Notes on Nursing was written first for a public to read. It later became a nursing text. That little book sold out in the first 3 weeks, the first run, 50,000 copies. She wrote 200 books, monographs, and reports, and the library that holds her collected works now spans 16 volumes that sit on a shelf like this. One of the most important, strongest authors of the 19th century anywhere. We have 14,000 letters in her hand in collections around the world today. Those letters are all about the health of humanity. In 1893, when she wrote an essay for the first World's Fair in Chicago, the Columbian World's Fair, that was the first fair to honor the work of women in the world. She wrote in her essay, "You must form public opinion. Without the work of advocates, governments and leaders will never do what we ask. You must form public opinion."